On this table here is an important item I recommend you have for your bug out bag, and I bet 99% of people do not have this for their bug out bag, but you should because it makes life a heck of a lot easier. So what is this item? Well, admittedly, it's not the world's sexiest thing. So it's not guns, it's not knives, it's not, any kind of Leatherman tool or anything like that. It's not, well, golf wax. It's not golf wax, but great for fire starting. Same thing, petroleum jelly, great for fire starting, and cotton balls. And I've got some rifle ammunition, and I have some cheap Chinese armor that we're gonna be testing later on, but it's none of those things. So what is this item that you should have in your bug out bag that costs about, what, $3, $2? I don't know what it is. It is right here. It is, if I can pick it up, it is shoelaces. And I'm gonna show you how to make paracord shoelaces in a second. Shoelaces make life easier. Have them in your bug out bag. I was just at a family reunion and one of my shoelaces broke, and I went to my bug out bag. I was changing my shoelaces, and one of my cousins came by and she said, "What are you doing?" And I said, "Oh, my shoelace just broke." So I went and got my spare one, and she was like,
"Whoa." She says, "My husband is a prepper and he has almost everything, but he doesn't have shoelaces in his bug out bag, but now he's going to."
So when it comes to shoelaces, you go to Walmart, like these are Walmart shoelaces. And again, $3, $4, I have no idea what I paid for these, but it's pretty darn dirt cheap. Or you can simply make some paracord shoelaces. So how do you make paracord shoelaces? Well, it's easy. First, you can take out your shoelaces from your shoe, which I'm not gonna do because I don't have to put them back in. Or just go to Walmart, take your shoelaces like I am now, and these will just go back in my bug out bag as normal. They're 45 inches. So if you don't have a way to measure, well, obviously you might not have a ruler, might not have something. Take out your shoelaces, okay, then I know what it needs to be. Then you take your paracord, we get this knot out here. And by the way, when you are buying paracord shoelaces, buy American-made paracord. Do not buy the cheap Chinese paracord, because the cheap Chinese paracord falls apart quickly. So here we go. I'm gonna check out my 45 inches. Okay, there's 45 inches. Take out one of the knives I got on me today, and we'll cut about there. And there we have it. I have my paracord shoelaces. Now, the only other thing you're gonna wanna do is the end which you cut is gonna fray. Get a cigarette lighter and melt the end. And you should have a cigarette lighter in your bug out bag. So this one, the main end, they've already done that for you from the factory, but this end, take a cigarette lighter and melt it, and you have got your paracord shoelaces ready, good to go. If you are super lazy, you can just buy paracord shoelaces already pre-made, pre-done on the internet if you want to. But either way, have some shoelaces in your bug out bag, because how annoying is it when a shoelace breaks? Super annoying. When I was at my family reunion just now, and my shoelace broke, I was like, all right, no big deal. I went to my bug out bag, I put in new shoelaces. If you want to see all the items I have in my bug out bag, the ultimate bug out bag guide, go to crisisproofbook.com. As I said earlier, I'm a former CIA officer, and I've spent my life dedicated to keeping people safe, but also preparedness for my family, for others. So go to crisisproofbook.com, get yourself some shoelaces or paracord shoelaces, whatever works for you. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of the day.